for all of the whatever happened in the past, ako na yung nag-front sa ating law enforcement pati military. Sinabi ko na I will protect you and ako ang managot sa lahat. This will be a long legal proceedings, but I say to you, I will continue to serve my country at to be it. Kung ganun ang destiny ko. Salamat.